turn to percentage. And if you say percent means 100. Okay, let's see solution. And the question given is 4/5. We asked to convert this one into percentage. Our concern here is to make 4/5 into a percentage. Now we are going to look for a number. If you multiply it by 5, we are going to have 100. Okay, let's say this is equals to 4 times a number will give 5 times a number will get 100. Let's say 5 times 20. 5 times 20 is equals to 100. Let's multiply both sides by that 20. Okay, this is equals to 4 times 5. Here is 80 all over 5 times 20 is 100. Then any number all over 100 means percent. Therefore 80 all over 100 is equals to 80%. Now we convert this one into 80%. And I'll give you one question to solve. You convert 1/2 to percentage and put the answer in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Bye.